Everyone carries a quiet dream to achieve real, meaningful success at least once through investing. You enter a trade thinking, this time, it's real, only to find your account halved before you know it. You turn off the monitor, stare at the ceiling, and ask yourself, why do I keep getting trapped like this? Maybe trading just isn't meant for me. But what if? This isn't actually a lack of skill. We sleep, we work, we take care of our kids and our homes, but the market never sleeps, not for a moment. As humans, we simply cannot attach ourselves to the market 24/7. Today, let's talk about the system that stands in the market on your behalf, the Blitz Trading Bot. The crypto market runs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. But we need sleep, we need to work, we need rest, and we need time with our families. And that's why the same frustrating pattern repeats. You chase a big green candle, enter late, and get trapped at the top. You hold on, then finally stop out, only to watch the chart bounce beautifully right after. It feels like the market is playing with you. Small wins, big losses. The chart doesn't change, but your emotions go on a roller coaster. But let's shift the perspective for a moment. Do we lose because we can't endure? Or because we never had a true structure to rely on? Most retail traders rely on emotions and intuition. But institutional and professional traders? They operate with systems and probabilities. Blitz Trading Bot was born from this fundamental difference. People design the strategy. The bot enforces it 24 hours a day. Blitz is essentially a trader with no emotions and no fatigue ever. When you are sleeping, when you're in a meeting, when you're with your kids on the weekend, Blitz quietly continues executing entries, averaging, take profit, and stop loss. Exactly as defined. What Blitz does is simple. What's special is that this simplicity never breaks. That is the essence of Blitz. First, where to enter, entry, based on your chosen asset, leverage, and entry parameters. Blitz executes the first entry at market or limit automatically. Second, how to respond when price drops, grid averaging, using frameworks like SafeWalks or Hybrid. Blitz follows predefined spacing and sizing rules. To average down strategically as price declines, it gradually lowers your average entry, so that one poorly timed entry doesn't blow up your account. Third, where to exit, take profit, stop loss. You set the profit target and allowable loss range. The bot manages TP and SL autonomously. It eliminates the human tendency to break rules with just a little more. Finally, whether to repeat the cycle. After a cycle ends, you choose whether to restart or to stop. Blitz is optimized for steady, structured repetition. Blitz isn't just an auto-order program. It is an engine that embodies your strategy itself. That is what makes it different. There is one critical point we must address. Blitz is not a magic box. It does not guarantee profits. Crypto markets are inherently risky, and leverage magnifies that risk. That's why Blitz was built upon two priorities. First, prioritizing liquidation avoidance above all else. No reckless leverage, no all-in positions. Every scenario, max utilization, averaging steps, liquidation thresholds, is calculated beforehand. Second, humans make decisions. The bot enforces them. You choose the strategy. You choose the leverage. You choose the allocation. Blitz simply follows those rules. Without emotion, deviation, or fatigue, Blitz is not for one-shot jackpot seekers. It is a tool designed to avoid liquidation and make time work in your favor. Let's imagine something. Instead of waking up and immediately checking crypto prices, you head to work, sip your morning coffee, and during lunch break, open your phone to read a message from Blitz. BTC USDT, three-year averaging step executed. TP reached, position closed, awaiting next cycle. Before bed, even if a sudden drop hits, you don't miss anything because you weren't watching, or because your reaction was slow. The bot is already averaging in, already managing risk, exactly as defined. Of course, no one wins every time, but you can confirm two things with absolute clarity: whether you followed your plan and how your strategy behaved in the market. And that clarity is the first step toward becoming a more advanced trader. Blitz isn't trying to be just another trading bot. It is about validating strategy with numbers, mapping risk clearly, and building a realistic automation framework on top of that. That is the direction of Blitz. This is why Blitz continually accumulates data, backtests, drawdown simulations, coin-specific behavior, entry gaps, leverage combinations, and more. So users can choose strategies that fit their own risk tolerance and style. You might be thinking, this sounds exactly like what I need. When can I use it? Even at this very moment, Blitz Trading Bot is being tested, validated, and refined across test servers and real markets. For more stable strategies, more intuitive screens, and clearer notifications and logs, soon we will share this system with you. Blitz Trading Bot. Automated trading and everything beyond it, coming soon.